Scientists use any visual data available to explore animal behavior and movement. Anything from camera traps, satellites, drones, stuff mounted to animals, and even pictures people upload from their vacations online. All of this has required a complete scientific redo in terms of how researchers process such vast amounts of information. Scientists must build computer foundational models entirely from scratch to help classify and organize all this footage to make it useful. That's a lot of time and work and money.
That's the hole that BioCLIP hopes to fill. Michelle Ramirez at Ohio State is interested in understanding the geographic distribution of coyotes across the US. Specifically, she's looking at photos tagged coyote on Flickr, and then she's cleaning up her data and getting better maps of where coyotes are in the US. And so this is an example of sort of like BioCLIP making her job much easier, and then was able to classify 60,000 images very quickly on her machine. It's the main goal of BioCLIP. We want to make these images computable so that researchers can build much more interesting stuff on top of BioCLIP.
What do you see happening in like 20 years?
Boy. Okay. Have the embedding space respect things like this animal has 4 legs. And so maybe things with 4 legs are closer together than things with 2 legs. And I want to be able to reason about wing shape and head shape and stripes and the number of scales and the size of fish scales and all these different traits is the word we use. It's like, I think the promise of AI in general for biology and in general is like finding patterns in these large sets of data that a human wouldn't be able to intuitively identify. And so it means a lot that CVPR, the premier computer vision conference, considered an application as one of like the 6 best works at the conference. It's a great sign for the community. It's also obviously awesome for the Imageomics Institute because it brings a lot of fresh eyes to this problem. Winning the award is a huge stamp of recognition and a huge sort of marketing PR boost as well for us.